We'll guide you through how to make Discord GIFs on mobile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their messages more engaging on Discord by adding captions to GIFs. Many users do not know how to use bots like 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘲𝗀 for this purpose. This tutorial helps them understand the steps clearly and use the feature easily in their servers. It also helps users learn how to customize GIF content to match their conversations. In addition, it makes communication more fun and expressive. This feature is useful for improving interaction in online communities. First, open the Discord application on your device. Inside the application, tap Login to begin the process. Enter your email in the required field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After that, tap Login to access your account. Complete the verification process to successfully enter your account. After entering your account, find the server you want from the server list. Then tap the server to open it. After entering the server, open Google Chrome and go to the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀 website at 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀net. Once the website loads, tap the invite button to continue. You will then be redirected back to Discord, where you need to choose Add to Server or Add to My Apps based on your preference. After selecting the option, the bot will be added to your account or server. Next, go back to the server chat where you want to use the bot. Then tap the chat field at the bottom of the screen to start typing. Type a slash symbol in the chat field to begin using a command. After that, type the word caption to select the correct command. Enter the text you want to display on the GIF in the provided field. Then tap Link to continue the process. Paste the GIF link you want to use into the link field. Make sure the link is correct before continuing. After that, tap the send icon to execute the command. The bot will process your request automatically. Once the process is complete, the GIF with your custom caption will be sent in the chat. Other users in the server will be able to see the GIF along with the caption you added. This completes the process of sending a captioned GIF using the bot in Discord.